Game.
Oo.
This is the original from Penguin. Awan ko kung doon nga galing. This is what we call coin matrix. Usually, ginagamitan to ng okay, ginagamitan to ng 4 cards, ordinary cards. Kahit anong cards yan pwede. Then a coin, kahit anong coin, coin again. Choose. So gusto niya?
Ito.
Umaw, yan.
Okay, wag yan. Ito na lang gamitin natin. Okay. First, una niyong gagawin, kalat nyo ang coin, okay?
Just pour
Medyo
it.
tas-tasin mo konti.
Just pour the table.
Tatas mo yun,
Yan.
para maganda yung focus mo. Then,
Then afterwards,
afterwards, tatakluban nyo lang siya ng ganyan.
whichever
Okay,
Four
just cover
coins.
the coin,
with the card.
the cards, okay? Kaya repeat, just cover the card.
The coin.
The coin, I mean, okay?
Just
Now, just cover the coin, okay? One by one. Okay?
and by poop,
Now see, okay? Just look at my hand, okay? And it become,
Cocoa Crunch.
see the card, I mean the coin, transporting the kind of
Card.
Then one more time, okay? Watch. Very carefully.
Poop.
Okay?
Amazing.
Once again, look. Without touching the card, okay? Without touching the card. Without, become Coco Crunch.
I can't believe
See,
it.
see?
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Okay?
Oh, it's amazing.
Diba?